So in this video I'll be showing you how to fit a cup holder kit to a W447. So it's a 2022 model, so it has the new upgraded radio and etc. Now I've just did a quick video here just to show you how it fits and works. We do have a more comprehensive video showing it with the older version of this van with two seats in it, so the two captain's chairs rather than the bench seat and the single seat, but the principle's the same. So with the trim tool you basically work round this panel here, and eventually this was clip. You move that panel away for the time being. You take the first part of the kit, which is this. Now this you slide into position here, and this simply replaces the area of where this panel's removed. Push this into position, no screws or anything, it just holds in by all the clips that you can see here. Once you've got that into position, then you simply take the second part of the cup holder kit, which also has the clips on it, and this sits into it and pushes down, and that's your cup holder kit complete. As I mentioned before, we do have another video that shows it more comprehensively, showing taking the paneling off and everything. And the main part of this video is to show you is that on this bench seat, obviously you can see here this is tight. Once we put this in properly, we would have approximately like a finger width, so something in the region of about 15mm gap here. So you do have this part of the seat, but you lose this part of the seat. So it depends on really whether you have people sitting on this part of the seat, whether this cup holder kit is going to be suitable for you. Obviously this only fits the automatic, because normally you'd have the manual gear stick there. Thanks for watching this video. As I mentioned before, please have a look at our other video which shows the full fitting of this kit with the single seats, but this video is just give you an idea of the kind of space and the area of the seat it takes up. Thanks for watching this video.